In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from MetaTrader 4 app. Now, if you are receiving a lot of notifications from this app, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and turn them off permanently. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and access the information page of MetaTrader 4. And there are two ways we can achieve this. First, go to Settings. And then from Settings, scroll down until you see this option called Apps. Now, under Apps, look for the function called Manage Apps or All Apps, and then tap on it to see all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From this, now scroll until you see MetaTrader 4, and here is the app. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can see we have accessed the info page. So this is where we are going to do our settings. Alternatively, if you are finding it hard to get to this page, let me show you a shortcut method. Now in the shortcut method, just go to your app and then long press on it. And you'll see we have this option called App Info. Go ahead and tap on App Info. And then this will again take you to App Information page. So from here, scroll down until you see this page called Notifications. As you can see, currently it is turned on. To turn it off, you can go ahead and turn off from here. If you toggle off this Show Notifications button, it will go ahead and turn off all the other type of notifications on your MetaTrader 4. So that's how you turn off notifications from MetaTrader 4 permanently. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly like this video and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.